Say, do you know this is Pittsburgh Zoo and PPG Aquarium? Congratulations. Good for you. Okay, it looks like we have to go see the animals. Come with me, Boxxo. I'm glad you watched it somehow. So I watched you and then you're really good at it. Congratulations. Good for you. Okay, looks like we're here. Isn't it called a sea lion?
Well, a sea lion. That's what it is. The sea lions are like a creature that looks like flippers and it goes with the ball in the circus.
I just don't remember when the CEO's gonna get clapping by the humans and trainers too. You know what I mean. Seals are really good. Polar bears? Oh, here's a polar bear. That polar bear is really huge, isn't it? Congratulations. Good. It looks like he's gonna go for swimming.
Well, swimming for polar bears is fun.
Boxxo, congratulations. Do you want to go see the giraffes? Congratulations. Okay, let's go. Hee I like this beautiful giraffe.
So they could kiss me.
I like this one. It's so huge and tall. Whoa. It's that hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus bathed in the mud and bath, right?
I wanted to take a bath in here. Oh, he's had a big mouth.
Oh my goodness, a big mouth.
I'm sorry about that. I was just feeling yawny, that's all. Congratulations. Okay. Can I say something to you, Boxxo? Would you like to have some lunch? Congratulations. Well, I can just. You're a vending machine, right? Congratulations. Okay. Well, I can put you down, and I'll just get my food myself. So you're the zoo vending machine.
Well, if I have to be the zoo vending machine, I have to get something. I've got
You changed into one. Wow. Pittsburgh Zoo and PPG Aquarium, huh? Congratulations. Good for you. It's so good. I like it.
well, much more like food. It's really tasty. I got my tasty food over PBG Aquarium for my millennium.